This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 3817 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features a Bayshore Decor, Glacie Glazed Maple Hardwood, HG interior, sleeps 4, awning, skylight, TV, LP detector, external shower, leveling jacks, self-contained, slide-out, air conditioning, Colorado detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 3817 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.